This method can help answer key questions in the shale gas field about the relationship between particle size and the adsorption capacity of shale.
The main advantage of this technique is that the gravimetric method requires fewer parameters and produces better results in terms of accuracy and simulating actual underground strata.
First, turn on the magnetic suspension balance computer and start the magnetic suspension coupling controller. Open the gas 2 helium cylinder and roughly adjust it to the appropriate output pressure with the control valve. Next, confirm that the magnetic suspension coupling controller knob is in the off position. Then, turn on the instrument temperature controller, the oil bath heater, and the vacuum pump. Switch the coupling controller to the 0-point position, wait 1 to 2 minutes, and confirm that the readings are normal and stable. Check the measuring point positions in the same way. Then, set the controller to the 0-point position. Start the system control software. Select the blank measurement program and open the configuration window. Name the measurement. Select Gas 2 to use helium gas, select Other Fluid, and select Fluid Bath. Set the maximum pressure to 70 bars with 7 pressure steps, the pressure ramp to 2 bars per minute, and the oil bath temperature to 50 degrees Celsius. Run the program and calculate the mass and volume of the empty sample container.